Civil liberties and privacy advocates say Canada's new Strong Borders Act could actually remove the barriers that protect your private information.
It's just a blank check of these new powers.
Bill C-2 would expand law enforcement's authority to open and inspect your mail and make it easier for police to search your computer or device if they deem it urgent.
This legislation is about your personal data and personal information. And that data and information can reveal a trove of background about our lives.
Police would also have the power to force telecoms and digital platforms to hand over details of your online use. That includes your smartphone and internet, email and messaging apps, details like when you use them and where you were, without a warrant.
This really does invite potential fishing expeditions.
This expert in privacy law says police could demand that information if they suspect you violated any federal law, not just the criminal code.
This really puts our privacy at risk. And you don't have to take my word for it. The Supreme Court of Canada has repeatedly examined exactly these issues and has articulated unequivocally that Canadians have a reasonable expectation of privacy. And in effect, we have the government saying, well, no, you don't.
But child protection advocates say police need easier and faster access to this information. This center receives tips about online exploitation of children. Police often need to link a computer's IP address to a suspect. The process of requesting that data can take months. By then, that information may have already disappeared.
There are pieces of information that are only in the possession of companies that provide internet services to subscribers.
The public safety minister says this legislation strikes a balance with Canadians' privacy rights.
So, Marina, police have been calling for easier access to digital information. What exactly are they saying?
The Association of Chiefs of Police says Canada lags behind its allies. That makes it hard for authorities here to gather and share information to take on international crime. Police say this legislation simply modernizes this country's laws so they can keep up with the technology criminals now use.
All right, thank you. That is Marina von Stackelberg in Ottawa.